Stop using very. Say instead. Let's discuss some advanced words that you can use in place of very. Very angry. Furious. She was furious when she saw the broken vase. Very happy. Ecstatic. He was ecstatic to hear he had won the competition. Very sad. Despondent. She felt despondent after losing her beloved pet. Very big. Enormous. They moved into an enormous house near the lake. Very small. Minuscule. The error in the report was minuscule but still noticeable. Very fast. Rapid. The car moved at a rapid pace along the highway. Very slow. Sluggish. After the long flight, he felt sluggish all day. Very beautiful. Stunning. The sunset over the mountain was absolutely stunning. Very good. Excellent. She did an excellent job on her science project. Very bad. Atrocious. The storm caused atrocious damage to the village.